How to transfer money from Emirates NBD to other banks online, Emirates NBD local transfer. So hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can transfer money from Emirates NBD to other bank online. So for that, if you are using a mobile banking, you have to log into your mobile banking and tap transfer or pay icon at the bottom of the app and tap local transfer and select the beneficiary from the list. Enter the amount and next verify your details, add remarks and slide to confirm. Enter your smart password PIN and your request will be processed instantly. And if you are using online banking, you have to log into your online banking, click transfer and pay. On the navigation menu under transfer, click on local transfer and select your beneficiary from the list. Enter the amount and next and review the details, add remarks and submit. You will receive an authorization on your mobile app to proceed with this request. Open your mobile app and site to confirm. Enter your smart pass pin. Your request will be processed instantly. And if you are using a ATM or CDM, you have to go to one of their ATMs or CDMs and insert your card, select language and enter your PIN. Click on transfer to Emirates NBD account or Emirates Islamic account and select the account to transfer from and select pre-registered beneficiary, enter amount and confirm. Your request will be processed instantly. So that's it for this video. See you on the next one.